This video will demonstrate how to edit spill using CloudKO Lite's editor. This image contains some green spill that is remaining on the subject's pants. This image also has a bit of transparency on the shirt, so I will fix that with the green brush and then show you how to edit the green spill. To get rid of spill, I will enter Smart Correction mode, and then when the cursor changes to blue, sample an area of the pants containing no spill. I will then use the green brush to paint over the spill to remove it. This image had some spill on the stool, causing it to become transparent. In this case, after entering Smart Correction mode and sampling the gray stool, I can either paint while holding Alt, or select the stool with the wand tool and then press Ctrl-Delete to fill in the transparency. Be sure to watch our other tutorial videos to learn about more ways you can use CloudKO Lite's editor. Thanks for watching.